Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today I'm showing you how to make pretzels. And when I say pretzels, I mean soft pretzels worthy of any German beer garden. Lederhosen optional. Salty, chewy, and just about perfect in every way, especially when you dip them in beer cheese or mustard. But the best thing about them is that you made them yourself. So make a batch, bring them to a party, and let the compliments roll in. If you're ready, let's get started and make these pretzels. Inside your kit, you'll find your instruction card that led you to this video, cheesecloth, and vegetable rennet, which are used to make your beer cheese. For the pretzels, we have your baking yeast, malt syrup, and of course, pretzel salt, and your pretzel baking mix. In addition to the kit, you'll need a stand mixer with a dough hook, a baking sheet, baking mat, rolling pin, and a large slotted spoon or spider to get out your pretzels. Let's get baking. To start, add the baking yeast, a couple tablespoons of the baking mix, and a cup of warm water to a bowl just to wake up the yeast. While that sits, let's get started on the rest of the dough. You're going to add your baking mix and 4 tablespoons of cold cubed butter. With your hands, mix together the butter and flour to get a gravel-like consistency. Once the butter is broken up, it's time to add the yeast mixture. And with your hands, you want to mix this till it forms a shaggy dough. Now it's time to let the mixer do the hard work. Just put it on, lock that in, let it run for 8 minutes. The dough will form an elastic ball. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm area for 45 minutes. After the dough has risen, you want to flatten it out with your hands and then start to roll it out with a rolling pin. You're looking to make a large rectangle so that when you cut this into strips, they're even and you have pretty uniform pretzels. When your dough's rolled out to about 12 inches by 14 inches, you'll want to cut it into 12 1-inch strips. Now we're going to form the pretzels. To form, make a U, crisscross the ends 2/3 of the way down, then with the bottom strip, fold it over and tuck it into the end, and then repeat with the other side, and just straighten it out to that pretzel shape. When your waters come to a boil, it's time to add the malt syrup and your baking soda. When the boil's ready, dunk each pretzel for a minute. When all your pretzels are done boiling, transfer your pretzels to a baking sheet lined with a baking mat, and then get ready to brush them with butter and top with pretzel salt. And bake. You did it! You made pretzels, and you're going to devour them faster than you know. So head to farmsteady.com and check out your next DIY food project.